Hello everyone, welcome back to Placements Nepal, your go-to destination for the latest job opportunities. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss on exciting job update. And for our loyal viewers, thank you for your continued support. Today we have an incredible opportunity that you don't want to miss. It's with a company called Blackcoffer, an enterprise software and analytics consulting firm with a global presence. Now let's talk about what you will be doing in this work from home internship. As a selected intern, your day-to-day responsibilities will include developing web applications, working on SaaS-based application development, utilizing web technologies such as React.js, Node.js, and more, handling NoSQL databases like MongoDB and PostgreSQL, contributing to real-time dashboard development, engaging in admin dashboard development, collaborating on both front-end and back-end parts of the product, actively participating in product development, involvement in API development, work on cloud platforms such as GCP, AWS, Azure, Linode, and Heroku, using tech stacks like React, Node.js, Python, and AngularJS. To be eligible for this opportunity, here are the requirements: proficiency in Amazon Web Services, AngularJS, Express.js, Google Cloud Computing, MongoDB, Node.js, React.js, and React Native. The ability to earn certificates in these skills. Availability for a work from home internship or start date between 11th September 2023 and 16 October 2023. A commitment to a duration of 6 months. Relevant skills and interest. Women wanting to start or restart their careers are encouraged to apply. So if you want to apply to this work from home internship, then click on the link that are provided in this video description. After clicking on that link, you will come to this interface, and this is Internsala. So you have to create your profile here. Then it is a very one-click step. You have to click on apply now, and you can directly apply without any hassle. This is a fantastic opportunity to gain experience and grow in dynamic field. And guess what? Blackcoffer is offering some amazing perks, including certificates, letter of recommendation, flexible work hours, and even the possibility of a job offer. So what are you waiting for? If you meet the requirements and are ready to take the next step in your career, click on the link in the description to apply now. That's it for today's job opportunity spotlight. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to Placements Nepal for more exciting job updates. Stay tuned, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck with your job hunt.